Hi, this is Porrick here from PAYE Payroll Project Management. Today I want to bring you through the process of completing your 2021 income tax return. From about the middle of January each year, as a PAYE worker, you have access to your preliminary statement of liability through your My Account on revenue.ie. Preliminary statement is based on your income for 2021 as reported to revenue. The preliminary statement will indicate, based on the figures revenue have, whether you have paid the correct amount of tax and USE for 2021. In order to get a final statement of liability, you must complete an income tax return where you can submit any additional income or claim for any additional tax relief or tax credits. Some of you may recall that I produced a step-by-step video of how to submit your 2020 tax return and include your medical expenses. Up to now, that video had over 9,000 views over the past 3 months. However, my channel has yet only 62 subscribers. To subscribe to my channel, PAYE Payroll Project Management, simply hit the subscribe button if you happen to be logged into your Google account. Subscribing to my channel costs nothing, and you will not be receiving any emails or any other correspondence. Subscribing is a bit like liking or following the channel. The step-by-step process for completing your 2021 income tax return is much the same as I outlined in my 2020 video, just with the following differences. I will be mentioning work-related flat rate expenses, working from home tax credits, dependent relative tax credits, and stay and spend tax credits. I will be making separate videos on these. By subscribing to my channel, it will be easier for you to keep up to date with these videos when they are released in the near future. Before I start, I would just like to point out that you may only claim for medical expenses for which you have not received a refund from any other sources. For example, if you have received refunds from the HSE or an insurance company, you can only claim for the amounts you have not been refunded for. Let's get started with our step-by-step process for completing your 2021 income tax return.
Sign in to your My Account on Revenue. Enter your PPS number, date of birth and password, and tick the box to indicate you're not a robot. If this screen comes up, you can enhance your security if you wish. I skip this step, but the choice is yours. You may get a message about the last time you logged in, like this one. Where we need to go is review your tax 2018 to 2021. Two items appear when this page opens. The one we need to go into is Statement of Liability Request. You can of course have a look at your employment details summary if you wish, and then return to request your statement of liability. When you request a statement of liability for the first time for the year in question, you get a preliminary end of your statement indicating whether, based on the figures revenue have, whether your income tax and USE is balanced or whether you have underpaid, as we see in this case for Mary, or whether you have overpaid, in which case you would be due a refund. The next step is to complete your income tax return. And click OK. And I will put a link in the comments section about notifying revenue if you have a medical card. You will find that any boxes that revenue have already details on are pre-populated. If you have been living in Ireland for the past few years, just tick the boxes resident and domiciled. If you are in any doubt, click the little information icon to the left of ordinarily resident or domiciled for more details. Like the message says, if there are bank details, be sure that the bank details are yours, and if not, change them, because any refunds due will be paid into this account. Your employment details will show up next. You can check the detail against your final payslip of the year from your employer or pension provider. You can add any additional income you have in the sections provided. We are not dealing with any additional non-PAYE income in this video. Some screens may appear different depending on whether you are using a desktop, a laptop, tablet or mobile, and also based on personal circumstances. Your current non-PAYE income that revenue are aware of will be shown. Click Next when you are satisfied that your non-pay income is correct. Here is the section where I said I would be touching on. These are areas that may affect a large proportion of this audience. Flat rate expenses come under the button Your Job. I will be doing a separate video on this shortly. Remote working relief also comes under the My Job tab. This will also form part of the separate video. We will not be adding anything for now, so we will click Cancel. Under the tab You and Your Family is where you claim for a dependent relative, which will be part also of a separate video. We are not adding any for now, so I will hit the Cancel button. Further down the tab, You and Your Family, you will find the Stay and Spend tab. To claim this, you must upload receipts, and this is also part of a separate video. Because the most item people claim for is health expenses, I am going to go through this process again in this video. The requirement to upload receipts has not been made mandatory for 2021. So there is no requirement to do so. I will be going through the process for uploading medical receipts in a separate video, where I will also be giving details of medical appliances that can be claimed for. Please refer back to a previous video outlining 6 important points about completing your income tax return if you have not already watched it. You will see when you return to the tax credit screen what credits are included with this return. For example, see the health expenses we entered, €1,542. You can edit these figures if you feel you may have made an error. When you are satisfied all is okay, hit Next. Check the box to confirm the declaration and hit Next. Congratulations, job done. Keep an eye out for my next video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to join, follow or like the group Payroll Matters in Ireland to keep up to date with all things payroll. If you are on Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn. See you next time.